Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I've been MIA lately. I had a little knee injury and I've been dealing with some knee issues, but I'm starting to feel better. So that's where I have been for the last, 3 weeks? So today I'm doing an unboxing for Bargain Bead Box for June of 2025. And if you're not familiar with the Bargain Bead Box, it's $22.99 a month, and it's valued at over $60 and sometimes up to $80, $85. I have a coupon code for BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. Very excited to do this unboxing. I did not do anything with last month's box. I just had so many issues going on, I couldn't do them. So this is called Tranquil Tides, and it says dive into an ocean of blue spot jasper and sodalite where you'll meet an adorable lampwork octopus, a pair of Sheldoni, starfish, sea turtles, and seahorse charms, and much more. Deep blues and coral orange tones combined with sparkling crystal and anti-copper accents in swirled wave designs. Is it Sheldoni or Sheldon? Oh, not sure. Okay. But anyway, we have this gorgeous. Ooh, this is heavy. I like that. Gotta love some beads. So let's see what we have here. Oh, look at the cute little. Look at the. Oh my God, the little seahorses. Oh, how cute are these? Got some headpins. Got some chain. Oh, pretty. Oh, these are pretty. We've had these before. I liked those. Oh, look at the little turtles. Oh, very pretty. Got some ear wires. We got a little bit of everything. Oh, look at the little Sheldoni, Sheldoni starfish. How cute. Brass magnetic clasps. Oh, nice. Okay. These are gorgeous. Let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so we're starting off with number 1, 31 by 15 millimeter blue spot jasper and brass teardrop pendant. This is so pretty. Let me move that down there. Look how pretty that is. Oh, wow. Let me make sure. Okay, I got good light. Oh, that's really pretty. That's the back of it. Very pretty. Ooh, this is going to be exciting working with this box. And number 2 is 2 pieces, 13 by 14 millimeter Sheldoni dyed starfish charms, coral pink. Oh, look at these little babies. So they have the little hole up at the top. Oh, how cute are they? Oh, living on the beach where I do. These come in handy. These would be really cute. You could even use these. You could even put like a jump ring through this and put it on as like a charm bracelet. You know, you could do that. There's quite a few things you could do with that. Or you can dangle them from a necklace. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Number 3 is 15 by 25 millimeter lampwork glass octopus bead dotted blue. Oh, look at his little face. Oh my gosh. Look at his little eyes. And it goes right through the top. This would be really cute to make a cute little pendant out of this. You could even do a little, put a head pin in and do a little like charm on a little, on a bracelet. Oh, how cute is he? So that's where the headpin goes. It goes right through the top. Oh, how cute is he? Okay. Number 4 is 15-inch strand of 8mm blue spot Jasper round beads, $6.99. Oh, these are pretty. These are really pretty. And you could just take 2 of them and do a couple stretch bracelets for yourself if you wanted to. And dangle that little blue octopus from it. Call it a day. Oh, so pretty. I love copper. I love when they do this with copper. Copper's like my favorite, I think, out of all of them. And number 5 is 7-inch strand, 4x2mm Sodalite rondo beads. Oh, these are so cute. And just give one more layer of texture to your jewelry, mixing these with round beads. I'm gonna have to pick a good seed bead to go with these. I'm not sure yet. With whatever I create, because you know me, I gotta add a seed bead to everything. Seed bead junkie. Number 6 is a 7-inch strand of 10mm banded agate dyed heated round beads. These are really pretty. Lots of different striations in them. Yeah, these are pretty. The holes in them are very good. Don't have any breaks or anything. Okay, number 7. Oh, 7-inch strand of 6mm peach rainbow moonstone dyed round beads. Oh, these are pretty. I like this combination of these colors. There's a few bright orange things too, and then they have the peach, and then the blue and the copper. This is a really pretty, pretty combination this month. So a little peach moonstone. And number 8 is 10 pieces of 10mm blue spotted Jasper melon beads. Oh, these are pretty. So see, they have that little, they have the cut going on. So they look like they're round, but yet they're not. They're almost like a barrel bead in a way. Very pretty. Very pretty. Okay, and these next ones are so cute. Number 9 is 10 pieces of 12x11mm synthetic coral man-made shell beads. Oh, how cute are these? Oh, where is this? Let me see. Okay, and here's the hole here on the top, and it goes down. Oh, I love this color. This bright color. The coral is really pretty. Very pretty. Okay, and this next one is adorable. 10 pieces of 10x14mm glass fish beads in slate blue iris. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? Oh, and the hole goes through the back, goes this way through them. Look at how cute they are. Look at the little scales on them. Oh, how cute. This could be cute. You could make like a fish charm bracelet. I kind of got a cool idea for these. Those are so adorable. Number 11 is 15 inches of 4x3mm crystal faceted rondos in matte pink champagne. Oh, these are pretty. They almost, I mean, they look like they match the moonstone pretty much. The moonstone's is a little bit The peach moonstone's a little bit darker, but the same family. And then if you could tell, even though they're matte, they have a little bit of a radiance to them. When you turn them, you could see, I don't know if you're catching it on the camera, but they do, some of the cuts, the faceted cuts have a little bit of a sparkle, but a matte sparkle to them. These are pretty. And number 12 is 15 inches of 6 by 4 millimeter crystal faceted rondo beads in steel blue shimmer. Wow. Wowzy, wow, wow, wow. Look at these. Look at that sparkle. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Excited to work with these this month. I didn't even touch last month's box. I feel so bad. I was missing my beads. Number 13 is, let me open this up a little more. Number 13 is 20 pieces of 8 millimeter crystal faceted round beads in magma. Magma. A bead. That reminds me of Austin Powers. I don't know if you guys are fans, but when he goes magma. So these are really pretty. Yes. These will make for some nice shimmery jewelry this month. Okay. And number 14 is 6 pieces of 22 by 9 millimeter seahorse charms. Oh, are these so cute? Oh, look at it. They've got the hole right there. Okay, I think I know what I'm doing this, one of the tutorials this month, what I'm doing. It's gonna be too cute. You guys are gonna love it. Look how cute they are. And they're the same on both sides, which is nice. So if you use them as a charm, you don't have to worry about one side being duller than the other. Okay, and number 15, oh, here we go. 4 pieces of 16 by 13 millimeter turtle charms. Look at these. Look at these. So this is them, and then this is the back side. It just looks like a belly, a turtle belly. Down here in Florida, sometimes we see turtles and they're flipped over on their back, and we always try to flip them back over if we see them because, they can't move, the poor little guys. They're so cute. I love our turtles by where I live. See them walking across the street, and you go around them, and people pull over in my subdivision, and they'll get a towel or something because I guess they pee on you when you pick them up. I just heard that, but they'll pick them up, and then they'll put them over on the grass just to get them off the street. But we all love our little turtles and deer and everything in the wildlife here where I live. So, love our little turtles. And they can run, let me tell you. They can run faster than, that whole turtle in the hair thing. Those turtles can take off running. So, number 16 is 4 pieces of 27 millimeter swirled oval links. Okay, so these are pretty. Very pretty. We've had these before. These are nice little connectors, and they've got some interest on them, and it's the same on both sides, so that's really good. Okay, number 17 is 20 pieces of 8 millimeter swirl coin beads. These are fun to work with. These are cute. And they got the hole. Goes through there. These are nice. They outdid themselves again. Number 18, oh, I'm glad they gave us bead caps. Number 18 is 20 pieces of 8 millimeter swirled round bead caps. Oh, I didn't think I saw some this month. Oh, look at these. These are nice. And this is it from the side. Yeah, I like that floral swirl on there. Really pretty. Very pretty. Tell you, if you're looking to get somebody who's interested in beading and doesn't have a lot of stuff, you get them this kind of a box. You have head pins, eye pins. You know, you have everything in here. Some chain, connectors. You know. Okay, and next is number 1 millimeter of 6.5 by 2.5 millimeter Lumachana jewelry chain and anti-copper. I was talking, so I wasn't paying attention when I was doing. Okay, this is really cool. If you can see that pattern, very pretty. It's a nice long chain. Yeah, very pretty. And it's got a really pretty design on it too. And number 20 is 2 pieces of 14 by 18 millimeter brass magnetic clasps and antique copper. These are great. Oh, they're strong. So here's them open. And then these are great, especially like if you have people, like if they're older and they have trouble using their fingers to open and close things. These are so great because they just, you don't have to open and close lobster clasps and all that. Okay, so then we have 2 bonus. Number 21 is bonus 5 grams, 40 millimeter, 21 gauge brass head pins. So here's just a few of them. Oh, we get a nice little thing of them. See, you have these. Oh, so if you're starting out, you don't have to worry about buying all these things. You have a little bit of everything, and everything matches. So, and these are great. Even if you don't use them for here, you can use them for your stash. And then number 22, bonus 20 pieces of nickel-free ear wires and anti-copper. That's what I was trying to say. So you just got some nice ear wires here. And who can't use more ear wires? I know we all can. So this is the June 2025 Bargain Bead Box Tranquil Tides collection. Been really happy with this unboxing. It's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to work with it. Sorry about last month. Just got away from me. And so I'm starting over new this month. So I will definitely be on in June. So like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. And this month's box, estimated retail value for the shipment was $90.80. And they're usually valued over $60, and I paid $22.99 for all these. So you cannot beat this. You could not go to like Michael's and buy all this stuff for $22.90. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will leave my links below to my Facebook, my Pinterest, my Instagram, and my Etsy store where I sell most of my jewelry that I make. And I hope you consider subscribing, and please give me a thumbs up and like this video and comment on it. It really helps my algorithms and it helps me to create more content. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching.